Ever felt like your money's playing a game of hide and seek? One minute it's there, the next, poof, gone. You're staring at your bank balance, scratching your head, wondering where it all vanished. You're not alone. We've all been there. The digital age promised us financial clarity, but instead, it often feels like we're drowning in a sea of transactions, subscriptions, and bills. That's where budgeting apps like PocketGuard swoop in, promising to be our financial superheroes. They claim to tame the chaos, show us the big picture, and help us save more. But here's the catch: these superheroes don't operate everywhere. So, you're sitting there, ready to take control of your finances, but a nagging question lingers: can PocketGuard actually help you, right where you are? Today, we're diving deep into the world of PocketGuard, peeling back the layers to reveal exactly where this popular budgeting app extends its reach. Because let's face it, a tool is only as good as its accessibility. And if it's not available in your corner of the globe, all those fancy features are just digital mirages. PocketGuard, at its core, is designed to simplify your financial life. It connects to your bank accounts, credit cards, and investment accounts, giving you a clear, real-time snapshot of your finances. It categorizes your spending, helps you set budgets, and even predicts your future cash flow. Sounds amazing, right? But the magic only works if it can connect to your financial institutions. Currently, PocketGuard primarily focuses on the United States and Canada. This means if you're banking within the US or Canada, you're in luck. You can seamlessly link your accounts and start utilizing PocketGuard's powerful features. This includes the ability to track your spending habits, identify areas where you can cut back, and set realistic savings goals. However, if you're outside of these two countries, things get a bit more complicated. While PocketGuard's developers are constantly working to expand their reach, connecting to international banks and financial institutions presents significant challenges. Data security, varying financial regulations, and the sheer number of different banking systems make global expansion a complex undertaking. It's important to note that PocketGuard's website and support resources are primarily tailored for users in the US and Canada. You might find workarounds or limited functionality if you attempt to use it in other regions, but it's not officially supported. This means you might encounter issues with account linking, currency conversions, or even data accuracy. The good news is that the fintech landscape is constantly evolving. As more and more people seek digital solutions to manage their finances, apps like PocketGuard are under pressure to expand their global footprint. So, while it's primarily a North American tool right now, that could change in the future. If you're outside the US and Canada, don't despair. There are numerous other budgeting apps and financial tools available that cater to your specific region. Do your research, explore different options, and find a solution that works best for you. So, to recap, PocketGuard is your go-to budgeting buddy if you're in the United States or Canada. For everyone else, keep an eye on updates and explore alternative solutions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.